Yes, there are commercial kits and ready-made products specifically designed for recharging aerosol spray cans. Professionals commonly use purpose-made tire valve adapters that fit standard aerosol can nozzles and allow controlled transfer of propellant. When using these, ensure the adapter seals snugly and align the valve to avoid backflow. Portable inflators with integrated safety features can be repurposed when they include a controlled pressure regulator and a clean connection to the aerosol valve. Set the regulator to a low transfer pressure and monitor the can temperature to prevent overpressurization. Industrial aerosol recharge stations exist for high-volume operations and combine filtration to remove moisture and contaminants with calibrated pressure and metering systems to dose precise amounts of propellant. Operators must follow the station manufacturer instructions and use personal protective equipment. For smaller scale needs, complete consumer kits show up with hand pumps, gauge assemblies, and multiple nozzle sizes. Prefer kits that include a pressure gauge, check valve, and clear instructions for venting and testing after recharge. When handling flammable propellants, always work in a well-ventilated area away from ignition sources, and keep a glass powder or dry chemical extinguisher nearby. Never attempt recharge near open flames or hot surfaces. Finally, carefully read the aerosol can manufacturer guidance because some cans have single-use one-way valves or are not rated for refilling, and attempting to refill those can create an unsafe condition. 3 common mistakes are using excessive transfer pressure, which can rupture the can, connecting incompatible fittings that leak or allow propellant loss, and failing to purge contaminants that degrade product performance. The fix for overpressure is to use a regulator rated below the can working pressure and add a bleed valve so pressure can be incrementally adjusted. If fittings do not match, switch to purpose-made adapters that are specifically sized to the aerosol valve and inspect seals before each transfer. To prevent contamination, use a filtered inline connector and, when possible, transfer only from certified supply containers while keeping lines dry and clean. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lists products and techniques relevant to small-scale workshop tasks like aerosol recharge. We run a discussion community where members share hands-on experience, recommendations, and local service referrals so we can all learn practical tips and find work.